Hi everyone, Zex Yoga. I'm growing on, as you know. I want to show you my garden of March right now, before it starts to rain again. Here's a black-eyed Susan Spanish eyes. If not, then it's a sugar pod snow pea, or snow pea. I'm recording this on the phone, as you know. Saw some flowers thrown in, and there's a morning glory down there. Also some nasturtium that popped up again, and milkweed. Also some corn down there and a pepper. Maybe a padron or a habanada. Some fennel, as you know from my box. The kohlrabi and the purple kohlrabi. Some carrots. Some celery root. Might see what's done. Some sunflowers. I believe this is a lemon queen. I think those are sun dancers. Same with that one, I believe. This is a hollyhock. This is a blueberry. Misty. Oh. This is a lemon. Eureka. Lemon. Dwarf. There's some garlic. I believe this is a weekend bean. I believe a purple carrot. I believe some daikon rash. It's supposed to be the Japanese one I got from... Tokyo Central. I believe these are Roma tomatoes, unless I renamed it or put the name stick wrong. These are Borghese sun-dried tomato. I need to put some more seeds in here. I believe this is a black cobra pepper or a Vietnamese hot pepper, as they told me. There's some garlic in here. Some more, might put some more herbs in here, but some Thai Siam Queen thrown in here, and some patches of chives I threw in here. I might just throw in some garlic chives and more of that. Some peppers. Supposed to be a habanada here, but it didn't come. So I don't know what I'll put there. Maybe an Anaheim chili from Farm Supply. This is stuck. This is the explosive embers. This is a, not sure what this is. I never found out what it was. I hope it makes someday. Maybe it's a Thai pepper. Make some soon. This is a piquin, as it says. This is a jalapeno I found out. Very leggy. This is a Thai pepper, Thai dragon. That's a habanada. And some coffee grounds I threw in. And some pine needles. It's a bronze fennel. Very nice. Some flowers thrown in. Choropus. Not sure how you exactly pronounce it, but it's a variety of sunburst. Petunia Laura Bush blend. Calendula Pacific blend. You know which one I showed in the seed video. Sometime back. And what else was it? I believe this is a weekend bean. Seems to have died on here. But I hope it grows fine. Over some inert nitrogen to my plants. At least with some flour thrown in here. I had to put a lot of seeds due to the squirrels making a mess in the artichoke. Oh no, I have an artichoke, yeah. But no, this is a asparagus, just keeps popping up. I tore it out. It seems to pop up. Has some sticks thrown in just so they can break down. As you saw, well, over here. Oh yeah, the papayas, the solo papaya, I divide them and put them in pots. and bring them upstairs soon due to the cold. The garlic, as you know, the early Xi'an Chinese garlic, long name. The golden beets and the salsify. I had to put more dirt in there for them, but I hope it fills up with dirt and uses it as something special. Probably see. What I'm thinking of putting there is ginger, a chayote. Perhaps I'll see what happens with that. This is sweet peas. I hope these go okay, as I really want to see how they look, but doesn't seem like they're doing good. They seem to do this a lot. I hope it does okay, so I actually want to see what this looks like. Maybe I can save seed from it. Not sure what these are. I know these are poppies. Not sure what this is or this. Maybe this is a foxglove. Not sure what that is. Oh. Okay, I think I know what that is, everyone. I think that's a viola. That's possibly a viola. I think it's a King Henry viola. And those are hollyhocks. Same thing as I have up here. You saw these in my videos before. Marjoram. I guess you'll see what the growth is like. Echinacea. Not sure how you pronounce it. Forgot how you pronounce it. Lauren's grape. Viola, as you saw. Dill. And Cherville's not doing that well. Some parsley just thrown in. I think I'll turn this into something like this. I think I will. Some I forgot the name, but I know it's the Japanese turnip that I'm probably gonna harvest. I forgot the name. I forgot what this is, but it's familiar, but I forgot what it was. Seems to be some little bugs flying around in here. It's not good. This is my favorite one. It has like a lot. Basket fire I got from the swamp meat. This is the thing I had since 2016, the cayenne pepper. This is the serrano. But it doesn't seem one of them died due to the cold, so I have to put more in. Purple carrots. Both are Tokyo long white. Green onion. This is a black cobra, as I mentioned. This is my raspberry. Brandywine. It's like a dark-ish red. I hope it doesn't have stuff in here, or seem to be white flies everywhere. I like this, it feels nice. And those should be popping up soon. Also, there seem to be stuff popping up. That's because I put some flowers in here originally. Some red onion in here. Wait, no, red potato. There's probably a sunchoke thrown in there. There's also garlic, the Xi'an, as I told you. Some more garlic, because that's so much of it I have to plant. There's a purple carrot thrown in there. A fava bean. Doesn't seem to be doing that good. Don't have a lot of pollinators, but I'll keep it. There's a green bean. I think that's the yellow one, or the emerite. There's also morning glory and a morning glory in there, so I'll have to say about that. It's artichoke. There's a green arrow peas. There's an artichoke. There's some green onion. Same kind in red. Deer tongue lettuce. You already know what this herb is. Although I forgot the name of it now. It's something I remember, but I forgot. So sorry if I forgot the name. But I love it. Some tomatoes, some barkies, and some Roma. I need to put more in. There's originally 4 in there. There was originally supposed to be 4 in there, originally 3. But I had to put more, it seems. Some daikon rash, some garlic, some purple carrot, as you saw. Somebody let me got eaten. That's basically all my garden. I'll probably have more stuff. I'll put my harvests up when I have them. Thank you for watching. May you grow on.